on this computer and let's get started. Okay, so this is where we're trading from. So good luck, you know what you're doing, and let's get cracking. Let me, we need the crosshairs on, don't we? Oh, God, jeez. Properties. And foreground, I believe, has to be black. Okay, I thought so. Foreground, grid has to be black. Oh no, grid has to be white and
background white.
Oh geez. How do I change this?
Would it be a line graph? No.
Yep, line. Yeah. Okay, fine. So cool. And this is Monday. No problem. And oh yeah, fine. One last thing. Template, save template, and let's do clean 2 again. Yes. Cool. All right, Paulina, it's all yours. Let's make it
happen. So I see this market as a sell bias. So I see this as a break of an uptrend, not an uptrend, sorry, bullish pressure. Then we can see a break of the bullish pressure of the structure with the bearish pressure. We can see a formation of lower high. However, the price is potentially coming back now for retest. We see bullish pressure here. So this is going to be my level. Let me click. This is going to be my level. In real life, I don't know whether I would consider taking trade from here. I'd probably check it on. So what do I do? Clone?
No. Yeah. So no. So
clone to go to 1 hour time frame.
Hold on. And double click. You see the bubbles on the end? You see
yeah.
Double click, and then you see the bubbles on the end, and then clone. Okay.
Okay.
And then you go down to the bottom. You see 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll go to 1 hour. Come on. Okay. Okay, so I will just play on 1 hour. I will, because this is an interesting level, obviously. I can't tell at the moment whether that's a formation of a lower high or whether the price will come back all the way up here. So I'm going to play it safe. So next bar here, is that correct?
Wait. So if you move to the hourly, you can.
Oh, yes.
Before you do that, I just want to point out something to you that's very, very important that I want you to recognize. Probably in the live markets you would recognize that price failed to break above the structure for a very long period of time, and we finally have broken above close.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is now a new area in the market you potentially are going to work with for now potential bearish momentum, pullback continuation for a double top or lower highs. Okay. And remember, this is also your key level. So based on that, carry on doing what you're doing, but do not forget that this bullish pressure has stepped into the market now, okay?
Yeah, okay, sure.
Rejections.
Yeah, that's important.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just go to 1 hour and just see what's happening here. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that's 1 4 hour candle close.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at 4 hour now to see. Okay, so it closed. I can't tell, quite bullish.
So
it broke that structure, so it's bullish to me. So now I will switch back to 4 hour candle and just see how it reacts to that level at the top.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna have a look at 1 hour.
Yep.
Okay. So now I would consider this level. I'm not saying I'm gonna sell off this level. but I'm considering this level because we can see, okay, there is a bullish run, but then we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 hours worth of rejection, which is significant data. But then I would like to see a bearish push down for me to consider sales. So I will use 1 hour candle for that. Okay, still indecision. Okay, that looks good to me.
Tell me what's changed about the structure.
So what changed is I can see, okay, we have a rejection wick from the, previously we had a rejection wicks from, so forget this candle for a second. We had rejection wicks coming from the upside and the downside. Now we have more of a rejection wick coming from the upside, and we can see a bearish push down and a close below this structure. So it broke it. It broke that part. It's still within the range, but it closed below the price that it was struggling to close below before.
Fine. What's your plan?
I may look at 15 minutes just to familiarize myself with what's going on there.
Just double click it. No, just double click it. That's
double click. Yeah, okay. I'll double click this just so.
No, double click. Yep, again.
Okay. Clone. And let's go here. Oops. Okay.
So now you're thinking too much. So tell me what's happening with this.
So what I'm thinking is, okay, we had bullish run up, then price struggled to go above this level. Then we, on a 15 minutes time frame, we had a lower high formation, and the price has been struggling to push through that level. Still, there is a range here. So what I'm going to wait for is a break of that range. So basically a formation like this, or a push down and push back up to that level and rejection at that level again.
Correct.
Should I do it with 15 minutes or 1 hour candles?
Do you need to be in the 15-minute time frame if you're looking for the momentum to break that structure?
No, I just got to 1 hour.
Correct.
And let's see what's going to happen. Okay. Same, we've got rejection, but there is not significant push down. There we go. That's what I've been waiting for. Maybe I've missed the opportunity. No, I haven't. So now what I'm going to do, I may miss that trade because sometimes when you don't enter here, they just go, but that's fine.
We don't care about that though, do we?
No, I don't, because my criteria is now I want to see either lower high below this level, or I want the price to come back here and reject.
Correct.
So let's
15 minutes. Okay, you didn't press 15. That's okay.
That's fine. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, now we have obviously a strong push down, but then I think we just have to wait. We can't do anything right now.
So stop a second. Stop a second for me. Let's just take a look at this on a 4 hour. So we've had this indecision, we've had this push to the downside. Now, let me just see something. 4 hour, 1 hour of rejection and 15-minute. Let me see if this works. What? Why don't I have a line chart?
There we are.
Why don't we have a line chart? That's not fair. Oh, well, don't worry. I can't show you.
Someone says that the line graph was set to white. That's probably why.
Properties. What one is it? Oh, line graph. That. Okay. Let me see something. So this is something that I've been testing. I might as well show you a lot now. This is why you lot are saying, why are you buying into or selling into buy structure, and why are you selling into, why are you buying into sell structure, and why are you selling into buy structure? Okay. The foreground, is it black? Yeah. So this is something that I've been monitoring, this structure here after a strong push. Okay. And this is the pattern that I've been looking for. This like U shape, more want a V shape. And I've taken 4 trades today with this and still win one now and have won all 4, funny enough. I think it's beginner's luck, but I think it'll be fun to try this out and see what happens. I'm going to give this back to you. Okay.
Okay.
Press.
So you want to buy or sell here?
No, I'm buying. Buy in the market. What did I just press? Let's go back 1. Let's go forward 1. 30 pip stop loss. So I want a 30 pip stop loss. Was that 30 pips or 3 pips? Why am I so confused?
That's 3. That's 3.
Okay. So 3 pip stop loss. And let's go for 9 pip target. And let's see what happens. I mean, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, is what it is.
Wow.
You see that? You're so mad. Let me go back to that again. From where we entered the trade. So this was the entry of the trade based on just this pattern in itself, but taking the trade in the opposite direction of the momentum into a strong area in the market. And I've taken, as I said, 4 of these today, and all 4 have won. And I'm stuck in one now on Euro USD. Anyway, sorry to
No, it's okay. That's awesome.
get involved. But anyway, a little sneak peek of what I've been back testing, okay? And hopefully if this continues to work out and give positive results, then I can roll it out to you guys in the group to then implement with the current strategy, okay? So let's just continue. Start your analysis again.
Yeah, perfect. So we won
From,
1 trade already.
let's go to the 4 hour.
4 hour. Okay, let's see. Okay, 4 hour. Well, this is a bullish candle, so let's see how it reacts at this level. Can I have a look at 1 hour as well, please?
Yeah, do your thing.
Yeah, that's bullish. So I will actually press a candle on 1 hour.
Okay.
Okay, bullish, very bullish. Another one, rejection. Another one, break back in. Okay.
So you haven't checked your 4 hour yet, and you should keep on top of your 4 hour.
Yeah, sure.
So what's happening?
So we had bullish momentum up, and then the price broke back into our level.
Mm-hmm.
But it doesn't mean anything to me.
Okay, so continue.
So I will press another 4 hour candle.
Yep.
Oh.
That's a candle close.
Okay, that's fine. That's a candle. Okay. That more looks to me like indecision.
No, not this little one that you see there.
Okay, that's fine. I'll just I don't know what to do now with it. I'll go on to 1 hour.
So we had a breakout of this structure, a break back into the structure. Okay, we've had a continued bearish pressure to the downside. Now we've got the bearish momentum, and clearly what we should be looking for now is a pullback lower high continuation.
Yeah.
So you can look at that for the 15-minute time frame.
Oh, we had a lower high here actually.
Yeah, that's gone. So let's press 15-minute candles.
Okay. So you know when I see pattern like we just seen on like 1 hour, you see a push up and then back into the structure. I struggle with those because they usually they don't leave any wicks or anything. So I don't know what the market is doing. Okay, so let's go next bar. Oh, that is just gone now, isn't it?
Okay, so it's gone. It's gone. So let's move away from this. Let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's start our analysis again.
Okay.
Let's continue. So let's clear the charts. Right click, clean 2.
Click.
Template, clean 2. Clean blue.
Perfect. Okay.
So now, look away from your screen, Paulina.
Yeah.
Okay, give it 3 seconds, come back. The direction of this market is what now?
This market is stepping up to me.
Okay, we're looking at this too deep. All right, so let's look at this market. This market structure was pushing up. Okay,
Yeah.
we finally had eventually a break of this structure. Now, price is failing to break this level, failing to break this level. What is this market?
Sell bias. I'm still sell bias.
Okay, but what
It's
is this structure?
It's ranging. Okay. So we want it to break out of that range.
You can allow it to break out of that range, or if you're confident enough, you can buy really low, or you could sell really high.
Yeah.
It's entirely up to you. So if you're not planning to sell or buy this range, then what you're doing is you're just going to keep clicking until you feel comfortable with the structure. All right, okay. Let's go. It's easy to overanalyze this when there's a bit of pressure. And obviously there's people here. Yeah. I need you to forget about it. I need you to just concentrate on doing what you do best, okay? Which is trade.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Break back in. I'm going to have a look at 1 hour.
Very good.
Okay. I like this.
Okay, good. So carry on. Do your trick.
So I have a level here. I have a level here. Let me look at the 15 minutes. I have push up. I have change of momentum. I have double top. I am interested in sales.
If
in this area, I would like a little comeback to this.
Very good. Let's go 15-minute candles.
Let's go. Okay. Nice. Nice.
Sometimes you don't get the wicks right.
Yeah, exactly. We could sell under the structure.
If you want to do that,
and see how big is the stop loss.
Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's check the 4 hour.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. It's looking good. It's looking like a nice lower high within this range. 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
so check your range for where price is at now to where you want to put your stop loss.
So hold on. So let me look at the 4 hour. Come on. Where is the thing? Here. So we have 20.
2, I reckon. If you go down, if you go down a tad bit more, about there.
Around 30.
Yeah.
And then stop loss.
So look, don't make a mistake of using the 4 hour for your stop loss. If you're using...
No, I'm just looking at the range up. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think we should go for it.
All right, so talk to me. So are you taking an instant execution or a sell stop execution?
No, sell stop and a little bit below.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay, stop loss above this level or this level?
Where the wick is, so a little bit above the wick, so 12 pips, I reckon.
Okay, so 12 pip stop loss for a, let's go 34 target.
And can I just say that in this trade, I would sell for 2.5 risk to reward ratio.
2.5, okay, so we're going to do that. So sell stop just below this wick here.
Yeah.
Correct.
That's perfect.
Stop loss. Hold on. Stop.
Yes, stop loss here. Yeah.
Yeah. Sell stop here, and we're looking for about. This is fine. So let's move this down to 12 pip stop loss. That's fine. Accept this, and then your take profit. We're going to move this to a 12.
So that's 24. Let's put 24.
That's good.
24. Maybe 30. Let's just go for 30.
30. Okay, you happy with this?
Yeah, I am.
All right. So when you're ready, you're gonna press.
Okay.
Play. Okay.
Okay. So here we are. And then I press pause here as well when I want to go break even.
Correct.
Yeah, okay. Did you press? No.
So you're triggered into the trade.
Yeah.
No. Don't, just let it play out.
Okay.
Let it play out.
Okay.
Trust you on that.
Break. Hold on. Would it? Too late. It's fine. Okay, we'll break even.
Yeah. So trades. There you go. And then when you're ready, press play.
Oh, come on. Yes.
Pause, press pause, press pause, press pause.
Oh, yeah, there we are.
So you see what happened when Paulina came into Paulina and she just stopped over analyzing the charts. She went down to the 4 hour, you recognize wicks, you went to the hour, you recognize wicks, you saw the breaker structure, you saw evidence, you then waited for the double top for the confirmation, you got it, you took the trade. That's how trading is supposed to be. This is one reason why I don't like the simulator, because everybody over analyzes it. Okay. Obviously, when you guys do it with me, I try and hone that in. But the minute I told you to hone it in, look what happened. You've done what you do best. Okay. So continuing on with the sim session, this is what I want you to do.
Okay.
All right. So click clean 2, and let's go back to the 4 hour and let's continue. Very well done.
Okay. Let's go. So templates. Okay. All right. So bearish. We are looking for exhaustion now. That was a strong.
That 4 hours not closed, so you have to press 4 hour candle.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, it's closed.
Perfect. Okay. Now I'm looking for exhaustion. Let me just have a look at 1 hour chart. Okay. I'm not going to overthink it. I'm just going to press next 4 hour candle.
Okay, so what phase are we now in this market? What structure are we now in this market? Get away from the hourly.
Push phase.
Right, but what structure is this market now?
Bearish.
Why?
Well, we had 2 bearish 4 hour candles pushing to the downside and breaking previous structure.
Okay, fine. So now we can look at the structure as a structural high, lower high, break of the previous structure,
yeah,
lower low. Now what are you looking for?
Now I am looking for formation of another lower high, which could come back to any, or double top. It could come back to anywhere to this level.
Okay.
Or I am looking for a further push down and a retest and then push back down.
Okay, so looking at the 4 hour, we finally had this breaker structure. This is a strong candle. We've had about a 30% retrace of this level. And now you can start to see the rejection from this level. Would you consider a momentum trade at all?
Let me look at 1 hour.
Yep, click it and take over.
This is a bit rangy, so I don't know.
That's fine. So continue. Let's move on back to the 4 hour and let's continue. Don't overthink it. If it's rangy, it's rangy. Let's move on.
Yeah, sure. Okay, nice. Let me look at 1 hour. So we gain the exhaustion now, which is what I was looking for. Another candle. Nice. Okay. Nice. Okay, so that's a strong bullish candle. I'm just gonna click next 4 hour candle.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's just look at. So we have double top here. Just give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm gonna get rid of my dog here.
Okay, let's take a look at the chat.
Okay, sorry, I'm back.
Okay, so let me just do this a second.
Yeah.
Go to the 4 hour. Let's use some levels, please.
Yes.
Okay, so if we use this one level here, 1 hour, okay.
Okay, so actually on 1 hour it looks, it's still very bullish, but we had bearish candle, 1 hour candle, and then we have a small double top. I would wait for it to go a little bit further up to reject at this level.
Cool. So are you using the hourly or the 15-minute or 4 hour?
I just want to look at 15 minutes. Yeah, I want to. So 1 hour, I will use 1 hour now.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Nice. Okay. No, but that is still not what I'm looking for. Oh, wow. That's news.
Correct. Let's continue back to 4 hour.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
So let's go.
So we now rejected that level again.
Yep. So we are still sell bias.
Correct.
Okay.
It's closed.
Okay. So
News has just finished. Another 4 hour candles come. Allow for structure to build.
yeah, because that looks now like higher low to me. So market is a little bit in the middle, and that is actually what the markets looked like for the past 2 days.
Yeah.
And you don't know where they're going, so I'm just going to play it out.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to have a look at 1 hour because that could potentially be a lower high.
Correct.
But the market is on 1 hour, it's still stepping up to me.
Okay, but go to your 15-minute time frame.
Yeah, let's have a look. Okay. Oh, well, yeah. No, so, okay, let's see if we're going to get bearish push down and a lower high formation. Then maybe I would consider a sell. So that's a push. Okay, push. Now, if it's going to come back for a retest into this area or this area, then I will be interested. That one's gone. Let's have a look. Okay, so we had. Would you have taken a sell here?
Honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, so this structure. I mean, this is beautiful. This is very beautiful. 4 hour, 1 hour. The only way I'm taking a sell is if I can get them really high to get break even before I get here. So 15-minute time frame. I mean, we can't stretch this, which is a pain. We had to push the upside, structure.
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't have got an entry based on these wicks here. Because if I'm looking for 1, 2, then I'm looking for price to pull back slightly to then get myself stop below structure, stop loss above structure. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go to the 4 hour. Let's close this candle. That's this candle. Now this is a strong bearish candle. Okay. What's your plans?
I'm going to wait for it to exhaust. So for the next 4 hours to be potentially an exhaustion. Let's see. In 1 hour, yeah, there is nothing here. So I just want to also explain to everybody else why I didn't take this. It's because I felt like the price was in the middle, and actually I took sell yesterday on New Zealand dollar where it was at this stage, and I've been stopped out because it's kind of a lower high.
So let me pull you up on something.
Yeah.
And this is not to make you feel any way.
No, sure.
This news, I feel threw you off, and that's the reason why you didn't take the sell, because what you did after this candle closed, you called this a higher low of this structure.
Yeah.
That's what threw you off, because let me point something out. You lost this yesterday. Did you lose this one today?
No.
And it's exactly the same.
Yeah, that's true.
Try and figure out what's throwing you off, okay? And I realize you call this a higher low, When
Yeah.
you already called this a sell by structure,
Yeah.
that's why you got confused with this.
Yeah.
All right. So the
Okay.
minute you start to get confused, what we need to do is we need to just come away from the charts and move on. This now has become a lower high of this previous structure. This was sell pressure in the market. This was bullish pressure in the market. This is continued bullish pressure in the market. This is 8 hours worth of rejection. Doesn't mean we're entering, just means we can look for entries. More often than not now, we have this structure, okay,
Yeah.
here, and now more often than not, price is going to continue to go down.
That's right.
Okay. So over analyzing can
Sure.
say kill the cat in this instance. All right. So do what you have to do.
And next 4 hour.
You see.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at this. With that 4 hour close, you had this wick area here. If we go to the 15 minutes, so we had this strong push, no entry really, and no entry. So no stress. Let's continue.
Okay.
So we are definitely sell bias now. Okay, definitely.
Yeah.
See what the structure is telling us. So let's go.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna have a look at 1 hour. The market is really overstretched. I'm gonna look at 15 minutes.
Let me see something a second, please. Yeah, okay. Fine. At the moment, I agree with you. Let's continue.
Okay, so let me click the screen. Okay. Continues down.
So what I need you to focus on is the 4 hour. Okay, go to the 4
Yeah.
hour.
Okay, that's fine.
The previous candle before that, the market was overstretched. Now the candle the next candle that's closed is exactly the same as a candle that was previous.
Yeah.
So if you call the market overstretched, it means you want to pull back.
I do, yeah.
Or you want to push and then a pullback. So always bear that in mind, okay?
Yeah.
Now you have your push.
Okay. Now it started to look interesting.
Go to your 15-minute set, please.
Yeah, I like this. I also like it on 1 hour as well. The way it looks.
So work with the 15-minute then.
So we have kind of push down.
So remember, let's pull this together, okay?
Yeah.
Right now we have a push phase market. We have a wick area in the market where price is reacting to, okay?
Yep.
Now, if you feel that this is a good selling opportunity, you're going to keep this as a good selling opportunity. When you go down to your hourly time frame, nothing changes. You're still going off a 4 hour. If this is a good selling opportunity, then this is how you're viewing the market. You're viewing the market. This is awful. I hate MT4 on computer. Okay, so you're viewing the market as this, a push up, bullish pressure. This is your 4 hour wick. And now you're seeing the bearish sentiment into a potential lower high.
Yeah.
This structure, because we can't stretch it how we come at an MT4, it's hard to see it like that. So now you're continuing that bias off of the 4 hour and the 1 hour, which was a push, a pull, an exhaustion. And now you're potentially looking for a lower high with wicks or a push, pull back double top, or push, pull back lower high, and then sell.
Yep.
Okay, so whatever you want to do now in terms of process, continue.
Okay. I'll do 15 minutes to take a closer look. Okay.
Don't deep it because this is not a sell and you know it's not a sell.
Yeah. Let's just go here. Okay.
So hold on a minute. Why didn't you use this opportunity? Hold on. Why didn't you use this as an opportunity to recognize these two 4 hour candle closes worth of wicks now? Then go down to your hourly time frame to see what was happening, to then monitor structures pushing up and then wick areas in this market, and then go down to a 15-minute time frame to see what was happening in terms of an entry. So this is the structure up, break of structure, double top of structure, no sell there, unfortunately, and then this moved down too fast. But you could have had a sell if there were wicks or there was a pullback, because this pattern has now indicated evidence, confirmation, and you see who is forming now. Okay. All right. So slow down a bit and let's start again. 4 hour.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have a look. It's really hard for me to see this. Okay. So I'm going to continue on 15 minutes just to see whether it forms, whether it sticks to that level, basically. Because we had 4 hour close, but it closed halfway. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to sell this.
Go 4 hour. Okay, so look at your range from where price is now to the bottom of that of the
yeah. But you may go further.
May go further.
Yeah.
Is your probability of winning this trade going to be high?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Let me look at 1 hour.
So
okay,
let me just help you a second. Let me help you a second so that you can work with structure. If price comes back to this level or below this level, you can work with it, okay? So now, let me make this clear for you on the 15-minute, 1 hour. Okay, look where you're looking to sell. Into this area here, where the high is here.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, it's clearer now, so let's continue this.
Sure. 4 hour, okay, let's go. The price. Okay. Another rejection.
Okay, so go back to the 1 hour, go back to the 15-minute. So this is 12 hours worth of information. Now, if this is your structure here, okay, and this is your push up, this is your momentum shift, and this is your pullback lower high, and this now becomes your high, do you think you could sell this?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see if this pattern forms.
Okay, let's see. Oh.
Don't worry, it's gone.
It is gone. I am a lot braver when I wish I was this careful with my life account, to be honest.
Wait, let's continue.
Okay, let's see.
Hold on, somebody's drawing on the flipping charts. Annotate. Oh no, sorry. Settings. Cool. So yeah, continue.
Okay.
So I'm going to do something now. I'm going to take control of the market. So I want you to talk to me.
Okay. The markets are now in an exhaustion phase after a bearish push down.
Correct.
We broke previous structure of the 4 hour market. Now, okay.
Hourly, let's go.
Can we look at 4 hours?
Yep.
Okay, so the price is ranging at this level, but also is struggling to push back up.
So let's say 15-minute. Now we know price is struggling to push back up. What's happened on this time frame? We had to push the upside, a break back into structure. Do you agree?
Yes, and then now if we have a nice pullback and rejection, we could consider sales.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's have a look what happens. So have a look at this. What's happening with the structure? Got a nice rejection. Hourly time frame. We have 2 hours worth of pin bars, we have bearish momentum. Bearish momentum has now given us the break of the structure and pushed the downside with a pullback, potential lower high of this formation. We now have a 4-hour wick, 4-hour candle close with a wick. If you're not happy with this, you can wait for more 15-minute candles.
No. Stop. So we could set a sell stop below the structure, 15-minute structure.
Okay.
If there is bullish pressure, we hopefully won't be triggered back into the trade. If there is bearish pressure, then we will be triggered and see what happens.
Okay, fine. So what did I do? I don't know what I just done there. So sell stop. Trades, modify. Very good. So this is our what? No, this is our trigger. Yeah?
So a little bit lower. A little bit here. And then here. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to 5.5, accept this, and then take profit. Let's go for, so what is our stop loss? Oh, we moved this ourselves. So I think 15 pips, right? Is that correct? Yeah, cool. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, press play when you're ready.
Okay.
Okay, press pause. So we didn't get triggered into the trade, and this is why we take momentum trades with sell stops and buy stops, okay? So now we continue the analysis. Nothing's changed because price come back up. Now this could be the lower high of this formation.
Exactly. So this actually is a very interesting level. We could high, lower high. We could take that trade as well.
Okay, fine. So let's take a sell stop. Let's go to trades, modify, and stop loss. We're above this structure.
Yeah, it's a bit big, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, let's try. And then, yeah, here.
Okay, it's a bit close, but we're only at 7 pip stop loss, so let's make it 8 pip stop loss. And let's modify this.
1 to 3, yeah.
24. I think I'm on trading view. Okay, so this is a huge target, but you know what? Let's see what happens. Press play.
Okay.
Triggered into the trade, it's fine. Let me just see this second. So let me just try this. Let's go for six. I got butterflies doing this. Sell. Yeah, I think that might work. Let's try it. Press play when you're ready.
Yeah.
Press play.
There we are. Okay, break even.
Press pause.
Yep.
So break even on
both, really.
Break even on both. Let's press play.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Oh, just missed my take profit, man. That's my TP. Your TP. Press pause. Okay. All right. Very good. Very good. So, Paulina, trade. Okay. I think that you're better off letting the market control the market and you control your trades as opposed to using this software. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the first time that you're using it.
Too many things happening. Yeah.
Too many things happening, and I think you trying to control the market and your trades, thought process, and everything at the same time is a little bit difficult.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Okay, when I controlled the market, you found a trade, you took the trade, and that's it. Bob's your uncle. All right.
Yeah.
What I want everybody's focus on while we're here. Firstly, let me just take over now. I'll say thank you very much for taking a session. Okay, you get another chance to do this again. But I want everybody to focus on looking at just clean structure on the 4-hour time frame. We had a break of structure. We had a range in the market. We had a break below structure, lower high, lower high, lower high. Now, we may not have sells at these levels, but this is what we're looking for. When we see structure like this, all we're looking to do is to get into the market as tight as we can. All right. How do we do that? Well, we use our lower time frames to look for structure, as we can see here. And I don't know why this is doing this. I can't even pull it up. But we're looking for structure to give us a lower high formation or whatever else we're looking for. Even if you're looking at this is completely fine. Then you're going down to a 15-minute time frame and you're looking for areas on the market to do this. Let me just check this a second. This is very late, but we'll just do it just for the sake of it because of the 4 hour. Let's say we use 11 pip stop loss on a lower high formation on a structural low and then 2 hours worth of rejections. Let's take this trade with 11 and 33. And when you're back testing, there's no reason to be going too deep into your analysis. It literally is find your trades, take 100, and that's it. Move on, okay? Win, lose is going to happen in the live market. It's going to happen on the simulator. But the point is you just need to be taking trades. 4 hours said lower high, momentum candle, slight pullback on this momentum candle, hourly wicks indicating sell pressure. Find your area in the market. Obviously, I'm using what I've been practicing and I found it. And then you're just taking the trade, okay? Let's see what happens with this one. Wait, so let's see this, close. Let me see this a second. Again, this is late, man, but let's go 12 on this and 12, 36, 4. So let's see what happens. Stop loss on 1. So have a nice pullback to this level. Let's see 4 hour. We have a push. Okay, exhaustion. Hour lower high, pull back into the structure. Strong momentum candle down. What's 15 closers? Wick. Okay, let's try this one again. Let's just do the exact same thing. Do not stop me out, you muppet. Oh, this is a sweat, innit? I guess if this was a live market, we'll be sitting in this for much longer. Again, I think that's a nice sell opportunity there. Whoo! Joke. 1, 2. Okay, done. And I mean, that's it really. We just want to be taking the trades when there's trades. And we just want to be looking at the 4 hour, looking for those wicks, looking for those rejections, looking for those momentums, lining up with structure on the hourly. We're not going to be able to see a perfect trading opportunity ever, but what we can do is we can forecast, okay? We know what structure looks like. So what we're going to do is visualize what could happen and then just take the trades. And as you can see, we were stopped out of 1, but we managed to close 2 in the end. And that's that. Okay. Let's take a look at the trade that I took today on Euro USD. This is where I'm sitting now. Okay. Sometimes you're going to have a perfect entry. And like Chris would say, he sees my trades go down all the time. I had that on pound CAD. This trade I've been sitting in for hours. It just is what it is. But you see when structure here is illustrating to us that it's pushing up. Obviously, this is different criteria. And you decide you take the trade. You know, when you see an opportunity, you can take it again. When you see an opportunity, you can take it again. When you see an opportunity, you can take it again. And you continue to take this trade as long as you're getting the rejections on the 4 hour, 1 hour, until price starts to do this. Because if you sell here and it goes up, you get stopped out, then you can start to say this potential reversal in the market. All right, Paulina, you know this anyway.
Yeah.
All right. I think you've done very well. Would you like to take one more trade? Or would you like to call it a night?
No, I think I call it a night.
Very good.
And then hopefully next time it will go better.
No, it's fine. You've done very well, okay? Chris said, show me USD CAD. What screen are you guys watching? I don't want to show you it because it's my secret sauce, man. This here. Chris, you see it? But I didn't just take it blindly. I took it with this here. Okay, so when we go back to the 15-minute, you'll see how this lined up. All right, Chris? Yeah, it makes no sense to you. That's why I didn't want to show you it. But it makes sense to me. And I've just taken near enough all my trades using it in line with everything else. And I think we've done pretty well. All right, so as I said, I'm not ready to roll this out yet, but I will roll it out to you. Anything I learn, I teach. So, and for those that have been here for a while, you know this. Let's take a look at the statistics very quickly. So on this pair, drawdown was very good. It's 2 pips, that's fine. Max win, max loss, great risk reward ratio here. What's our profit factor? I mean, this is stupid, but this will balance out anyway. This means if we bet £1, we win £14. I mean, this is stupidly high. That's only because we've taken a few trades. We've took 7 trades, won 6, lost 1. Okay, that's very funny. And largest profit 36 and largest loss 12. So overall, a very good session. Paulina, thank you very much for your time. Does anybody have any questions before we go?
Thank you.
Correct, Joseph. Iceberg hitting on that major structure. If you see it in the course, I call them V and another one. Anyway, that is his late night secret sauce. Chris, did you not see me using it now, man? You're always getting onto me on these sessions, bro. Angus, no, it wasn't a resistance trade. But it wasn't. Anyway, guys, listen, take care. Wish me luck for EU because hopefully if we smash this, then we make it 5 out of 5 today. And if we don't, then we just break even. So fingers crossed for me. Thank you, Paulina, for your time. Everybody else for coming along. It's Thursday, so obviously I will be around tomorrow, but I won't be around tomorrow. So if it's urgent, private me. If not, I'll get to the privates again over the weekend, and I'll catch you all tomorrow and Sunday. All right, Paulina, thank you. Take care, everyone.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye for now.